All right. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right. Let's clean up a chart. Let's clean it up. And we're going to go through this from the top. All right. First of all, I don't even know where to start, to be honest with you. This is too much. This is too much. Um yeah, it's caution replay bar isn't available. All right, whatever. Look, the it's clickbaity. Bitcoin is going to crash. I get it, but I want to go through this real quick. First of all, there's this BUSD. All right, is currently depegged. All right, at this moment. All right, now January 2019 came into play. All right, and it has currently been going down. All right, over these past whatever months. However, I want to bring this to your attention. All right, because I looked at this today and I was very concerned. All right. 2019, there was a big spike. All right. 2019, or I'm sorry, 2000, or in 2022, May 2022. All right. You got these big spikes in BUSD. All right. Very, very, very concerning. All right. March 2020. All right. Obviously, we know what that is. All right. May 2022. All right. Big spike. Big spike here. All right. November 2022. All right. Those dates. All right. Let's just come over and compare this out. Let's go like this. Let's come over to our Bitcoin chart. All right. Come on over. All right. There, you can see your major dip. All right. This is them selling. Okay. They're selling to buy Bitcoin. Here, all right, is where it comes into existence, at least on this chart. But here's what I got. Selling to buy Bitcoin. All right. Here. All right. Looks like a buy back on their stablecoin where they bought, right? We were wicks down or sell, right? Sell buy, right? But nonetheless, it correlates with the top, all right? A major point in the price action, all right? Here, do you see where they correlate? On a big drop. Here, just happened on a big drop, all right? Now, you're getting this, all right? This little move down, okay? Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but the last time it did that, you had a big crash, okay? This was the top when you got a big move down. This is another big move. And this was a big move, all right? Do you see how they correlate, right? So in this week, right, they sold the top, right? They sell the top on Bitcoin, all right? Here's the theory. Here, they buy the bottom. They sell their stable coin, okay? They sell it, and it comes back in. They buy Bitcoin. Here, they sell Bitcoin, buy their stable coin, okay? Here, they sell Bitcoin, buy their stable coin. Here, they sell their Bitcoin and buy their stable coin. Here, they sell their stable coin and buy Bitcoin. Now here, they are selling their Bitcoin and they can buy their stable coin. Okay? That's what I'm seeing here. All right? This is a sell, all right? Where they sell it, right? Sell it, all right? And they buy it. Okay? Sell and buy, all right? Here, right? They sold it. They sold Bitcoin here. All right? They sell and then they buy their stable coin. Okay? Then there's here, okay? At the very top, which is very, very hard to determine, right? Because why would they buy their stable coin at the top, right? They bought their stable coin. Why? Because they sold. All right. So now we are buying our stable coin. Here's another buy of their stable coin. Okay. And now they sold again. Okay. I'm sorry, sell down here. My bad. All right. So we're selling our Bitcoin and going into our stable coin, right? Buy my stable coin, sell, right? Here, right? We sell our stable coin, all right? And we buy Bitcoin. All right. Here, not much is going on. But here, right? We've sold our stable coin. Another sell of their stable coin. And they bought Bitcoin at the lows. All right, down at the very lows. Okay? Now, they sell the tops, right? They buy the bottoms. That's a good sign, right? Right? But when they start to buy their stable coin, okay, which is what concerns me, is that the buys here correlate with big dumps when they start to buy their stable coin. So when we study these little wicks down, that's not a good sign, all right? What was this wick? All right? Interesting. All right. However, what worries me is that they've sold their stable coin, okay, to buy at the lows. But right now, we're getting a little move down here on BUSD. All right. Now, that's a major issue because if they are trying to sell Bitcoin to buy their stable coin, Bitcoin will fall. And this, we'll have another green wick here, and Bitcoin will just come down. Okay? Right? Because this will just get larger and larger and larger. Okay? That, in essence, is what I see happening at the moment. All right? We got a concurrent viewer. None right now. All right? But that, in essence, is what's going on. In fact, let's put a little question mark on what the hell is going on right now. All right? What do you think is happening? All right? In fact, let me float myself over here. I want to take a screenshot of this. I will post it to Twitter later. All right. Now, there is that. Okay? This is big to me, all right? This is big because every time they buy their stable coin, or I'm sorry, they sell their stable coin, that's good for Bitcoin, right? They buy their stable coin, that's bad for Bitcoin. All right? They buy their stable coin, still, right? Bad for Bitcoin. They sell their stable coin, okay? Right in here, which was interesting. That's the Luna dump, right? So why are they selling their stable coin there, right? To buy the Luna dump down here, okay? They bought all these lows, right? And manipulated the price, right? They manipulated it down. They sold more of their stable coin, bought the lows, and now, to me, they are selling Bitcoin, right, to buy their stable coin. That's what's going on. But look at the levels, all right? To me, this is going to be a bigger drop. All right? That's what I see going on right now. All right? So let's dive in and see what else is going on. All right, let's see if it holds. Because if it holds, it's all gravy. All right, and you're all good. But there's no point in charting a stable coin. But this doesn't look good. All right, not at the moment. Right, this could take a while because it's just buying and selling. Depends on the rate they do it at. Okay. However, you can see from Bitcoin's price action, right? They're selling a lot more of Bitcoin. This is not good. You got to hold this level right here, 21,400. Okay? No bueno. Okay? Because really, what do we know also? We know that they blew out all the volume from over here, this whole entire consolidation period, all right? And this thing is just a brick house. We also know that there is a ton of we also know that there's a ton of shorts out on Bitcoin. All right, look on the daily. All right, that they are currently net short Bitcoin at the moment. All right, look at all these shorts that they built on the way up. Okay. Now, you can say that they're buying back in here, but I don't believe that. All right, I don't believe that's just them buying and selling at large speeds. Okay, so it doesn't look good. What's going on with BNB itself? It's probably crashing. BNB, where are you? BNB down 8%. Look, right in here. No bueno. Let's go to a weekly. All right, there. This is not good. All right, this thing comes down and breaks this trend line. That's absolutely horrible. All right, that means BNB is going down. Okay. This is no good. All right, now the news hasn't come out yet tomorrow on inflation, and all of this could be completely fine. But in essence, here's the other thing: is on your monthly time frame. All right, in Bitcoin's history, all you've done is ride the railroad tracks up. All right, that's your 5 EMA and your 13 EMA. All right, on your 3 month. I'm sorry, on your 3 month time frame. Right over here. All right. All you've done your entire way up is ride the red and the yellow, and they've never, ever, 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 ever crossed. Ever. Never. Never in their history. Ever crossed. Here, you got the cross. And it's confirmed. Here, on this dump. Now you got a rejection off your 5 EMA on your 3 month time frame. All right. You go to your monthly time frame. I think they've crossed before on your monthly, right? You crossed here, all right? And then you got to cross up here. It's pretty normal, all right? However, when you got the cross on your monthly up here, you were above your 50 EMA on your monthly time frame. Here is a little bit different. You crossed on your monthly time frame, and you're below your 50 EMA. Your 5 EMA is also below your 50 EMA on your monthly time frame. I don't know if it's different. This is different. Anyone wants to say that this time is different or whatever, like, no, I see that this is different, right? Your EMA is crossed over here, but your 50 held, right? Here, your EMA is crossed, but your price fell below your 50 and then got a rejection off of it. This is different. Okay? To me, this is different. And also, like, where's the Binance chart? This is the Binance chart. They don't have history here. They have no obligation, right, to Bitcoin at $2,822, okay? But they do have longs down here, all right? That's what the volume tells me, okay? That there's a green vector here where they had to sell people long positions, or they went long themselves, all right? They close out their longs. They're opening shorts, okay? And they can come down here and realize a profit on their long positions that they've built back from 2020. Okay? So why not go short, right? Make a profit, right? Realize a return on your short by going short, close out your longs, close out your shorts, and that's the end of Binance. That to me is what is happening at the moment. All right? And you go to your weekly. Weekly, you can't go by Binance's EMAs because look at the EMAs don't track all the price action. You haven't gotten the cross on Binance, all right? Where if you got the cross on Binance, everyone's bots would have fired off, right? But you come to a real chart with all of the price action, you got the cross, a confirmed death cross, all right? You've gotten the cross, now you're heading down. You got the cross, you confirmed it, you know? Here, why do you think you get the cross and then a pump? You get the cross, everyone's bots fire off shorts, they come up and liquidate all the shorts, right, from all their bots firing off, you know, and now you're just getting to move down. I could be wrong, but you know, you could also say this. You could also say that, you know, you got your golden cross ready to go down, right, and you got this pattern right here, you know, this little pattern, all right, and you go back into history and whatever. In most recent history, I can see that. I see it, and it's all gravy. I see it right here, right? You got a nice little Bart formation, right? But however, your 50 was over your 200 in that situation, and you got a big move up, all right? Big move up. This is different. Your 50 is underneath your 200, okay? That is different, okay? Where else does it go down? Right here, all right? So here you want to compare bear markets. All right, you got this right here, but now this is your daily. Your daily, you get your golden cross, which is totally gravy, but you were at your 800 EMA when that was going down. So you got a big cross here, but you were at your 800 EMA. Where's your 800 EMA right now? Is above price, putting pressure on the price. Okay, it's different. Okay, they don't want to talk about golden crosses, but no one wants to talk about the 800 EMA. All right. What about down here? Down here, this could be the same, right? You're below. You get the cross up in here. But where was your cross coming to? You were coming up on your cross here, all right? So you got this move here. What did you get when you got when you were about to get the cross? Your 800 was above your 200 and your 50. You got this, but you got to dump down. Now, this dump came a slightly below, right? And you went down to 150 bones, okay? However, you know, that's more like a double bottom, which is totally gravy, right? From over here. But this is different, right? You would expect the double bottom to be here, right? But that's not where I think it's going to bottom. I think you're coming down to here. You're coming down to, you know, 7K, right? Because you want to fill the wick. All right? That's the idea. All right? To me, that's what's going on. I know it might sound nuts, and whatever, but that's what I see. And unless BUSD holds, right, and you get good inflation data tomorrow, right, because they probably know what the hell is going on. All right, this doesn't look like it wants to hold. This looks like Terra. All right, this looks like UST, right? This looks like the UST stablecoin chart when it was depegging. That's what it looks like, and it looks like everyone just went into Tether, all right, and it looks like they all just went into USDC, right, which is getting huge spikes up, right? This looks bad. This looks extremely bad, in my opinion. All right. Traditional markets are holding up fairly well at the moment. All right. Except I would want to see the Dow come back above where I got my line here at $34,000, $200, whatever, and get a 2-day closure above that. Because without a 2-day closure above that, and tomorrow is CPI, all right, all you're going to be doing, especially on Market Cipher, right, if you come back above, right, you'll get higher highs in your price action, but you'll get lower highs in Market Cipher, which is bearish divergence on your 2-day, which is pretty strong, okay? And I don't see the momentum coming up that high. So you got higher highs in your price action, lower highs in your RSI. Also on your Dow Jones, by the way, since this is a doom and gloom video, right? You got bearish divergence on Market Cipher on your 12-month, which is extremely bearish. All right. That's what you got. Okay, so just goes to show you that things might not be what they seem. All right, now on your weekly, all right, you don't really got much going on. All right, as far as divergence goes, however, your momentum has not come up. All right, from where this is. All right, this kind of doesn't make much sense. Where's the momentum, right? This is this little bump here, right? Little bump, large bump, but price hasn't gone anywhere. All right, just look at it from that perspective. Price has not gone anywhere, right? You got higher highs in your price action, in your momentum waves, and you're basically flat on your weekly. Now the Dow Jones is good to look at because it's hard to manipulate that, all right? But in essence, and you look at the closures, right? Look at the closes. You're really not closing, much higher. You want to see a nice close on your weekly above here, on your Dow Jones, on your weekly, all right? On your weekly, okay? That's what you want to see, all right? In your RSI, on your weekly, what do we got? You got this high right here, this high right here. Let's go from this one, all right? This is lower highs. What do you got? You have a higher high here, but this is where you're at right now. All right? Right there. But you got lower highs. Okay? On your weekly. So unless you make a higher high and close above, this is bearish divergence, which would confirm at the end of the week. All right? And your RSIs are split on your weekly. All right? Money flow is in the red. VWAP is flopping around. Okay? That's what you got going on. So traditionals look like that. And then, of course, you got your VIX, all right, which is currently sitting in a low, all right, a fairly good low, and it is moving up at the moment. It's gone up. We're getting a little retrace, but on your daily, as far as EMAs go, you're just back testing the 50 EMA on the daily, okay, which is bearish, okay. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. In your DXY, you got a nice move up. This is level 1 consolidation. And look at all these longs on the Dixie. I see a lot more green up there than I do on the daily down here, right? And if you're talking in terms of levels go, all right, which we were doing over levels before, all right, they don't come back to the levels, all right? They don't really come back. Okay? Not unless the dollar crashes, and I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So here's a level, right? Here's another level. You've made a clean break into your third level, all right? A clean break into your third level, and you are currently just underneath it. And you don't know how high this is going to go, all right? But I do know that you've only just dipped into this zone and coming out. That's what I see. All right? So a rejection is a good thing, right? But tomorrow, when it comes out, all right, because you got a rejection off your weekly 50 EMA, all right, which is okay, totally cool, right? On your daily, you're flirting with this, all right? You're flirting with that. And I see a lot of longs in here. A lot of longs. With two little shorts. Alright? Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. Dixie's moving down, but Bitcoin is staying the same. Okay? Dixie today, right, has dropped from the beginning of the week, since it opened, has dropped almost 0.5%. A 0.5% move in the Dixie down, but yet Bitcoin is a 0.5% down. Okay? Traditionals are up. Traditionals are up. Up. Everything is up. Dixie is down. Bitcoin is down. What is that telling you? Okay? What is it telling you? That's all I got for you. I know you'll say this looks like a Head and Shoulders or whatever, but that doesn't matter to me. All right. I do know that you got gaps in the chart down here. There are mad gaps, right? Mad gaps, and you're gonna think that this is all, support and resistance, but meanwhile, all that volume has been blown out. Anybody that's gone short is now wrecked. Anyone that has gone long from here is now wrecked. This is brand new volume. Okay. Everything has been blown out. They blew out the longs. They blew out the shorts. Okay. This is brand new. Your last level of actual support on your 8-hour time frame is right here. This is your last hope. 20,500. Okay. That is your last hope of support. This little long they built right here. All right, they break this. I'll see you at 8K. I'm frozen. I'll see you at 8K. That's what I think. Okay. Sorry. I got a viewer. He's gone. Float on the top. All right. That's what I think is going down. So now, what do we think is actually happening? All right. There still could be time because there's a little bit of long volume up here. All right. They could come up and take that. Doesn't look like they want it. Okay. Doesn't look like they want it. On your hourly, what are they holding on your hourly? You're below your 800 EMA on your hourly. And it looks like they're just filling up their shorts at the 800 EMA like they love to. Look at this blue volume. What is going on in these past 30 minutes? What has gone on? Selling. Buying and selling. Buying and selling. Shorts are being built. Shorts at the lows. Not good. Not good in my opinion. Where's my white line? Down there at 20,500. This is support here on my indicator. All right. You break this. You break this. Here, 20,400. I think you're coming down to 8K, 7K. Easy. All right. That's what I see. What's BUSD doing? Has it come up yet? Look at the behavior, right? And then you look at the behavior of Bitcoin. Something's not right. Something is not right. It reminds me of Terra. Okay? This is not okay. Look at the hourly. You're just in a downtrend. Okay? You want to see this come up and peg back. Now, it comes up and pegs back. That's cool. Let it hold for a couple days. Right? Maybe it holds for today. That's okay. What if the news is bad tomorrow? What if CPI comes out bad? Okay? They could sell off their stable coin, buy a bunch of Bitcoin, right? Buy a bunch of Bitcoin, come back up in here, and sell it all at 22.7. And then you just see a tank. That is a very, very large possibility. And look at it just float here. This is not good in essence. Like there's no structure going on here. This is stupid behavior. You would see them pinning the lows and moving away to come back up for the imbalance in the chart, right? See the pins to the lows, pins to the lows. Usually this would be deemed as a W formation, okay? You would see a shift out. Normally. I want to see a shift. I want to see it shift. I'm not seeing that. I got to see that at some point today to believe that everything is going to be okay. Anyway, that's what I got. That's all I got. So just mind your EMAs on your monthly time frame, okay? Keep in mind that you currently are sitting below your 50 EMA on your monthly, all right? And that you have crossed your 5 underneath your 13 on your 3-month time frame. Okay, that happened. Now you want support. right there. You got a nice support here at 9,169. All right, that's your 50 EMA on your 3-month time frame. Okay, you also got some support on your 2-month, right here at 17. Okay, but again, on your 2-month you have crossed. On your 4-month, right, you are about to cross. So 4-month candle starts only in May, so you're still okay, but that could cross. So that's not the time frame you really want. All right, this happened already. They've crossed. Okay, they have crossed. So keep in mind, you got 10K, but you also have all this down here. All right, anything below 3K is an area. But Binance, mind you, Binance did not come into play until here. All right, so if Binance wants to dump all of its Bitcoin, I don't know when they bought it at or whatever, Binance dumping its Bitcoin is below $2,761. Okay, $2,761. I know I sound absolute crazy. Batshit. I know. And saying that Bitcoin is going to go below 3K sounds nuts. But I'm not ruling that out. Okay? Just keep an eye on that. Alright? Binance. 2,000... whatever. 2,400? What's the ultimate low on Binance? The ultimate low. 3,156. The ultimate low. 2,800. All right, so mark it off in your chart. $2,800. And be ready for 2,800. Right here. Okay, that would get everyone to panic sell. And you can get a nice wick in here. Maybe you can pick up Bitcoin for $1,500. It's not going to happen in a day. It might not happen at all. But BUSD, depegging, Binance's stablecoin, depegging. This is not good. Look at this candle. All right? Look at this mother trucking candle. Now you've come back up. But what do you see? Red volume. Right? What do you got? Red volume. Selling. It's only come back. It was bought and then it was sold. Okay? That's what I see. 15-minute time frame. I'm charting a freaking stablecoin at the moment. Hopefully you can come back up. Hopefully you can get back up into here. But don't forget, Terra did the same thing. Terra wicked down and then you were good for a few days. Everyone thought everything was gravy. All right? Everything is fine. And then it just rolled over. So, that's all I got. Emergency video. Bitcoin's going to crash. Hopefully it doesn't. I could be kooky. All right? What's Dominance doing on Tether? Right? You're currently up for the month. All right? For Tether, for the week, you're in a nice little uptrend. All right? Nice little uptrend. You probably got some... I don't know if you can do divergence on a freaking stablecoin. All right? But this, on the weekly, is, in essence, bullish divergence. It's hidden. That's bullish divergence on USDC. On USDC. All right, on the weekly. Hidden bullish divergence. Okay? Be mindful. Be careful. All right? Be aware. I know I'm watching. And take care. Peace out.